Hey guys, Eitan, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm in the kitchen through Zoom with my friend and fellow TikToker, Ellie Zeiler. Ellie, thank you for coming into my kitchen today.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, so I'm super excited. So we were texting and discussing what we want to cook. And I actually just found out before we started filming, you've actually never even seen pancake cereal before.
No, I haven't. I like heard you say it and I was like, because I've heard of it, but I've never actually seen it being done.
Well, today we are going to be making it. How is your quarantine situation going? Do you have like online school? What have you been up to these days?
Literally, I just wake up, I do school, and then I make TikToks, and then I go to bed. That's my daily routine.
Yeah, that's been the daily routine too. Luckily, I actually finished school a few weeks ago, so I now just wake up, make TikToks, YouTube videos, Instagram, and then go to sleep also.
It's a nice life.
Yeah, it's pretty fun. Let's just get started. So we're gonna make just kind of a basic pancake batter, because basically pancake cereal, it's really just mini pancakes in a bowl. Nothing that special. So let's just get started using my basic pancake recipe. You have the ingredients there, I have the ingredients here. Let's start with dry. So add in your flour. Yes. All right,
Cups did you say it was? 2?
2 cups.
Okay.
Now, while you're measuring that out, let's talk about something that like fascinated me. So obviously I first heard about you from TikTok, and then I started semi-stalking you, and I was like, okay, wait, this girl was also on Chopped, because I was on Chopped when I was 11. How old were you when you were on Chopped?
I was 12.
Oh, I was 11, so pretty similar.
Perfect.
And you're Jewish, so I feel like we have to become friends and cook, and here we are. So
yes, so much in common.
Yes, although also we do live on different coasts, but I think we plan on going to the same city for colleges, so, or hopefully.
Yeah, so when you go to Columbia, and if I get into NYU, well, yeah, if I get into NYU, then we'll be how many years apart? 2 years?
Well, I'm not starting college for another year, so it'll be 1 year.
Oh, so maybe 1 year apart.
Yeah. I'll invite you to dinner parties. I have a whole plan to get like an apartment and have dinner parties like every night, so you'll be invited.
Perfect, and we can cook. I'll help you.
Yes, we will.
Okay.
Alrighty, so next up we have a tablespoon of baking powder.
Yes, sir.
And also, I think it's like about a teaspoon of salt. So now I think we already had discussed this, but for those that haven't seen our episodes, we both did not win on Chopped.
No, sir.
Which I feel like the first question everyone always asks whenever that comes up is like, oh, did you win? But like, I don't think people realize.
I'm like, no, there's not that many winners. Like, there's 4 people on it. The chance of me winning is like 25%.
Yeah, exactly. So, although you got further than me, I got out in the appetizer round. I think you said you got out in the entree round.
Yeah.
So technically you're more of a Chopped champion than me.
Yeah, pretty much. The reason why I was so excited for it to air was because, so that year that it was airing, I moved from California to North Carolina, and it was my first day of 7th grade. And I was like freaking out, like my first time going to a new school with like all new people. And I remember the first day of school is when the Chopped Junior episode aired. So then like everyone found out about it, because like I didn't tell anyone, and except like someone found my Instagram that night, and like everyone started watching it, and then that's like everyone thought it was so cool. I'm like,
yeah, that must have like immediately given you like clout in class for sure.
Oh yeah, 100%. They're like, this girl from California, like, of course California people are on TV.
Now also, if we have some sugar, add in about like a tablespoon of sugar into there as well. Now you actually don't usually add that much sugar into pancake mix, just because you usually add like maple syrup and whipped cream on top, so it's not really necessary.
Okay. Next.
So whisk that together, and now that's all of our dry ingredients. So now let's do our wet ingredients. We have 2 eggs, 1.5 cups of milk, and 3 tablespoons of melted butter. I want to hear how often do you cook these days? I feel like everyone I know in LA lives off like Postmates and delivery food, but are you like a delivery food person, or do you like to cook at home, or do your parents cook?
That is a question that I actually get a lot from being on Chopped, is like, do I cook all the time? And the fact is that unlike you, who turned it into like this whole thing, I definitely burnt out on cooking, just because I was practicing for it so much. And Yeah, I mean, I make breakfast, you know, it's like I know how to cook, but my mom is usually the one who, you know, makes us dinner and stuff. I really don't like cleaning up my mess. And so that is one of the reasons why I never cook, because it takes way too long to clean up.
I feel that 100%. I used to be really bad about cleaning up, but then I finally got better at it, and it's just not fun at all.
Oh yeah, definitely not.
Alrighty, so let's now add our wet ingredients into the dry, and just start whisking that together, and make sure you don't get any lumps in there. Okay, so we made our batter, and now it is time to cook it up. So get some nice spray in your pan so there's no sticking going on. All right, here we go. And now, basically, pancake cereal is just mini pancakes. So just take a little spoon and just spoon little bits of pancakes, basically. I actually saw, and I want to try for a TikTok, in response to like the whole pancake cereal trend, I saw someone do scrambled pancakes, which is basically...
Doesn't sound good, but it's...
Oh, it sounds disgusting, and it looks disgusting. Basically, you take pancake mix and you cook it like scrambled eggs.
Yummy.
Yeah, it sounds not good at all. Like, at all. Alrighty, so we're piping these. Yours, I feel like yours might be better looking than mine. I always make mine not circle, which is not a good thing.
These are looking more like ovals.
Oh, yeah, I've got some oval. I have like a jelly bean shape. Okay, I realized we totally forgot chocolate chips. We should probably do that. I think I think just take some and like press it into the pancakes is a good approach. How's yours looking?
Think good. Yes, sir. Wait, when they're done, do we put them in a bowl or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because it's like cereal. Now, one thing to be careful, since we added the chocolate like on the bottom, they will burn quite quickly. Here's some of my pancake cereals. They're looking right now, not that great.
Here's what mine looks like.
Okay, that looks 100 times better than mine. Okay, I need to up my game. All right. I recently started like going on Spotify looking at the top songs, and I feel like every single top song is just a TikTok song. So I was wondering, has TikTok like changed the type of music you listen to? Because I feel like the only music I listen to these days are TikTok songs.
No, oh my gosh, that's so true. First of all, because for anyone watching, I've only been on TikTok for like a month and a half or 2 months.
Which is insane. And you're at 4, didn't you just hit 4 million today?
Yeah, I hit 4 million this morning. And so I had no idea, because like I just listened to like my same Spotify playlist, you know, every day. I never actually listened to like the radio or whatever. Mm-hmm. And when I was listening to it for the first time like a month ago, and I like heard all of the songs that like I've done dances to. I had no idea that like, I don't know, I had no idea it impacted a different industry, like just off of an app. So it definitely has impacted the music that I've listened to.
Okay, my pancakes are looking absolutely terrible. I feel like you're winning this competition, if it's a competition.
I did make it to the second round. I'm just kidding.
Max, maybe you're the secret better chef, even though you don't cook as much anymore.
Yeah, maybe I should start I'm gonna compete with you. Instead of Eitan, it's just gonna be Ellie.
Ellie at Ellie?
Yeah.
That would be funny. Yeah, I mean like that's just not it. I'm gonna try one more time.
Yours, because what if yours are better than mine?
But they're definitely not. Look, here, I'll show you. Like, no.
Oh.
Yeah, go. Now, also, I was curious, what type of food do you like to eat? Because I know, like, okay, we discussed, okay, you don't cook as much anymore because you don't like cleaning. But what do you like to eat? Like, what's your favorite cuisine? What's your favorite food? Interested to hear. Because I feel like LA has a lot of good food.
Yeah, we definitely do. I'm actually from San Diego. But
you live in San Diego. Got it.
I like, well, I guess it's not that healthy. I like acai bowls. That's a huge thing that I eat all the time, which I guess is pretty standard for California.
We have them here, don't worry.
Yeah. For breakfast, I usually have a bagel. And then
Classic.
I really like pasta. Really like pasta.
I'm doing a show right now called Perfecting Pasta on my Instagram. You should check it out. Where we make like homemade pasta every week. You need to try it.
I have watched it. I'm a true fan.
Maybe when we have our dinner parties in New York in a few years, I could teach her how to make pasta.
Yes, 100%. And we can invite Noah and Millie.
Yes, although I feel like they don't live in New York, but we could pay for their tickets to join our.
Noah lives in New York. He lives near you. Well, I don't know.
Oh, actually, I knew that. He does live close, actually.
Like he lives like outside.
Yeah, fine. That sounds like a good plan to me. Okay, I actually made a few that look comparable to yours. For example.
Oh yeah, yours looks way better than mine right now.
Comment below whose pancake cereal looks better, Chef Ellie or Chef Eitan. Let us know.
Yours does, but yours also looks huge. Like, why are yours? Look at how small this is.
Yeah, no, mine are too big. Fine. So I think maybe I win in the appearance section, but you win in like the practicality of it actually being cereal section.
Yes.
Okay, so there's a big debate in the pancake cereal world of, do you eat it with just a lot of maple syrup and whipped cream, or do you use milk on top of it also? What are your thoughts?
I feel like syrup. But then again, it's pancake cereal, so like, do we stay true to the name? I don't know. But also,
let's first try it with
it kind of resembles milk, so.
True, I didn't even think of that.
Chocolate chips on top of mine.
That is a good idea. Okay, that looks great. All right, I feel like let's just give it a try.
Okay.
Are you using a fork? Yeah, okay. I feel like it's weird to use a fork to eat cereal, but I feel like we'll let it slide. Pretty fire. It tastes like regular pancakes, though, not like pancake cereal.
It literally just tastes like I'm taking a bite of pancake. It looks cool, though.
It's definitely good for TikTok, good for Instagram, but it tastes like pancakes.
Yeah.
Should we try milk then?
I say we just should try it.
I'm nervous for this. I feel like this is not going to be good.
I'm kind of scared.
Let's see.
Okay.
Or I feel like I need a spoon.
I don't. It just tastes like soggy pancakes.
Yeah. No.
I don't know about this one. Next time, can you teach me how to make pasta too?
Yeah, we can do that on next. Whoa! I just splattered milk all over the camera. We can do that next time. It just kind of tastes like. I mean, it's definitely fun and like it's a good TikTok, but I don't know if it's a good like practical food.
Yeah, I don't know if I'd like wake up in the morning and make myself like before school some pancake cereal.
Yeah, no, I like it's a little bit more work for less reward, and putting it in milk just is not a vibe, I feel like.
Yeah, definitely not. Okay, guys, so comment down below which one was better. Definitely mine. Thank you so much for having me. This was so fun, and I hope that we can do it again soon.
Yes, thank you so much for coming on. I would argue mine are better, but we'll leave it up to everyone down below to let us know. I will link all of Ellie's social media, TikTok, Instagram, all that things down below. I'm telling Ellie she has to make a YouTube channel. Hopefully I'll convince her, and I'll link that down below as well. Yeah, check out Ellie on TikTok. I'm a fan, and you should check that out. All my social media is down below as well, and click that subscribe button if you haven't already to be the first when I post new videos. Hit that like button if you enjoyed watching, and like we said, comment down below who won the competition. We'll see. We'll debate. Yeah, all right, this is super fun. Thank you so much for coming on. Hopefully in the future we can cook in real life, not through Zoom. I know I'll be coming out to California as soon as it is safe, and yeah, I look forward to cooking again soon, and I guess I'll try to eat the rest of these.
Yeah, same. Thank you, guys.
Bye.
Bye.